Hello everyone, this is Nigel from RHF6 Turbos. We've been doing a lot of work over the years on IHI turbocharger models, including, as you can see, upside down, but the RHF6 or VJ23 on the 323 Familias. Been repairing a lot of these over the years, upgrading them, whatnot. This is our billet compressor wheel, which is recently
My mistake, this is our billet backing plate.
produced. A couple of you guys are running them at the moment. Also, as you can see, we don't use a gasket maker anymore. We use, which I've got made, the gasket itself. So the tolerances are there, it's very fine, but the tolerances are there. You don't need to use this, it still seals very well. And it makes it so much easier in the long run, so we've got lots of those. Also getting more of our gaskets done for the exhaust side, so inlet and outlet. Don't worry about that, gets cut out, but that's just a prototype. But sold quite a few of these, and more of these will be coming out of stock too. So yeah, slowly but surely getting more and more stuff done for the VJ23 and a hell of a lot of other turbo models. So yeah, keep tuned, and that's what we do, like keeping the old stuff alive and keeping them more modern. Right, cheers guys.